Welcome to this new tutorial. Today I will show you how to create directory and listing submission form using the new AI powered features in the classified listing plugin. Go to the form builder of classified listing and click on add new form. I will choose blank one to start from the scratch. You will get this type of interface. Provide a name for your directory, then select a directory type for creating. Then specify any location for this. Then click on continue to generate, and then for the keywords you will get several suggested keywords for your directory. If you want, you can select any one from this given suggestion. Then click continue to generate. After that, AI will start to generate your fields. Here it is. AI assistance will help you to easily customize and arrange the fields. You can drag, drop, or let AI help structure your perfect form effortlessly. You can also delete any kind of fields what you do not prefer. As I said before, you can drag and drop the fields into ascending or descending order. Moreover, you can easily rearrange your sections and customize each field in the next step using the Form Builder's intuitive visual editor. This is the interface of your directories form as we have made by the help of AI Assistant. You can further add any kind of fields from the preset field if you have any further preference, like social profiles. Before submitting this form, give your directory form name like car directory and then click on update form. Now click on save form and visit the page to see our customization. Click on add listing and then your created directory. Here is the directory form that we just built with AI. AI perfectly generated all required fields that require to the built car directory. Let's submit a car listing through AI generated form. Fill the submission form with required information. Car model number, then provide year of your purchasing, car mileage, set the transmission, and the numbers of your car doors, fuel type, etc. Now submit a photo of your car. If you want, you can provide your car video URL. After that, give your contact information like location, address, phone number, email address, and the social profiles what you belong, like Facebook. And then click on submit. It will be automatically added in the listing archive page. Click on it. Here is the car listing details what we have submitted through AI generated form. Car title, description, car details information, as well as the information. This is how you can easily create any directory website with AI and the classified listing plugin. Thanks for watching.